Hey, if you cannot connect your JBL Vibe Beam into your device, like for example the smartphone, or for example if your JBL Vibe Beam keep disconnecting from your phone, let me show you how you can fix this. So first of all, you will have to remove both earbuds from this charging case. And right now we are going to make this touch combination on the both earbuds. Click, click, and then click and hold. And now wait until this small indicators. Okay, I just did it too slow, a little bit faster. Click, click and hold. Now let's wait until both indicators blinks 2 times with blue. There we go. Now we can release and our connection will disappear. If you are connected or if you are not connected, just forget them. Now I can recommend you to simply turn off Bluetooth on your phone, input both earbuds inside this charging case. Now close it for a few moments, then open it back, remove both earbuds, and now they will actually enter for the pairing mode automatically. There we go. Now turn on the Bluetooth back on your device. Click to pair a new device and try to find JBL Vibe Beam. Click on them once, accept the pairing, and now it's finished. So tell me if it works, please subscribe.